We are given two numbers a and b, such that the sum of a plus b is equal to 3, and the sum of a squared plus b squared is equal to 7. Our objective is to determine the value of a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6. To solve this problem, we will rely on algebraic identities, substitution, and structured reasoning. We start by noting the equalities. A plus b equals 3 and a squared plus b squared equals 7 respectively as equalities 1 and 2. Next, we consider the identity a plus b all squared equals a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. We substitute a plus b from equation 1 and a squared plus b squared from equation 2 into this identity. This gives 2 times a times b plus 7 equals 3 squared. So 2 times a times b equals 9 minus 7, which yields a times b equals 1. We note this last equality as equality number 3. We now evaluate a squared plus b squared all raised to the power of 3. Since a squared plus b squared equals 7, we have a squared plus b squared all to the power of 3 equals 7 to the power of 3. By expanding the left-hand side, we obtain a squared all to the power of 3 plus 3 times a squared all to the power of 2 times b squared plus 3 times a squared times b squared all to the power of 2 plus b squared all to the power of 3 equals 343. We factor out 3 times a squared times b squared from the middle terms, leading to a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 plus 3 times a squared times b squared times a squared plus b squared equals 343. This implies that a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 plus 3 times a times b all squared times a squared plus b squared equals 343. We now substitute a squared plus b squared equals 7 and a times b equals 1 into this expression. This yields a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 plus 3 times 1 squared times 7 equals 343. This simplifies to a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 plus 21 equals 343. Therefore, a to the power of 6 plus b to the power of 6 equals 322. By relying solely on algebraic identities and a structured sequence of substitutions, we transform basic information about a and b into the value of an expression as large as a to the 6th plus b to the 6th. This demonstrates how powerful symbolic manipulation can be when used correctly. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to explore deeper algebraic reasoning, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you never miss the next problem-solving challenge. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.